services, individuals and organizations to be present on the digital platforms. Internet is continuously changing the way customers shopped or searched anything. With internet they can find anything at a touch of a finger. This power that has been possessed by customer has opened plethora of opportunities for the marketers to promote their brands by reaching out to their target customer. Traditional media has taken a backseat with various media channels such as print media becoming obsolete with decreasing reader base. Digital media has provided a way to measure everything. All of a sudden marketers have found a way to understand ROI on their marketing activities. As a business you must understand that there is 3 kinds of digital media available: owned, earned and paid. Owned media, your own platforms like your blog or a website are your own properties. Earned media, your social mentions or anywhere you are talked about forms earned media. Paid media is the media that you have paid money for. This can be a paid article on a website or a paid review. Together these 3 forms a pivotal role in building your digital presence. In time with this course you will understand the usage benefits and various methods to make the best out of every media type to build your business successfully on digital channels. Definition of marketing: the science and art of exploring, creating, and delivering value to satisfy the needs of a target market at a profit. Marketing identifies unfulfilled needs and desires. Digital marketing definition: the marketing of products or services using digital channels to reach consumers. The key objective is to promote brands through various forms of digital media. Digital marketing comprises of various domains and terminologies like SEO or organic search, social media, link building, call to action, data mining, global reach, Google Analytics, PPC or Google AdWords, etc. Digital economy is growing. More than 40% of world population now uses internet, as per a 2014 survey. We spend 6.15 hours on an average per day on online devices. According to markets research firm eMarketer, consumers worldwide spent approx $1.672 trillion online in 2015. Digital marketing is extremely useful for you as 68% companies have a separate digital marketing budget for their businesses. Companies are increasing their digital budgets to cater to their customers. Here are the 5 digital trends. With an average CTR of 1.8%, video ads are spreading like wildfire. People are using apps for everything they do today, from commuting to communicating. Since Google too is using mobile apps as ranking factor, the shift from websites to app has begun. With technology like Siri and OK Google, businesses need to create content that can easily be understood by these platforms. The use of wearable is set to grow 35% every year. We need to find the best way communicating with our customers with the help of this technology. Digital marketing ad budgets are on rise.